Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short, sweet, to the point. I got my tea right here. Yes, I said tea. You're not dreaming. You're not hallucinating. I don't know what's wrong with me either. Today we're going to be playing with the new BH Cosmetics Duolight 9 color highlighting palette. I'm really excited about today's video because first of all, I need some highlighter on this face. We are lacking. And second of all, for today's video, I have partnered with BH Cosmetics. I am so excited. This is just like a really exciting opportunity for me and I'm like really happy. However, that doesn't change my thoughts, my opinions, my reviews on anything I'm going to talk about. I'm going to be honest as always and I'm going to tell you guys if I like something or I don't. With all that said, let's get to glowing. That was really cheesy. I'm really energetic and hyper today and I have no idea why. Maybe it's the tea. No. Before I put some highlight on my face, I'm going to talk about this palette briefly just to let you guys know what the dealio is. Firstly, let's open the palette up. There is a huge mirror inside. Wow, this palette is really reflective. I'm so sorry. Like I've mentioned, there's 9 different shades in this palette. This top row up here, those are more of kind of like a sheer pearlescent highlight. And when I say sheer, I don't mean it doesn't exist, but it's kind of meant to be like a highlight topper. It adds this really reflective pearly glow on your cheeks without really depositing like pigment. So you can wear it on top of your favorite highlighter or by itself, or you can mix and match with these ones down here, which are a little bit more vivid, bold, prismatic shades. As you can tell, there's like bright pinks, golds, this purpley one. So this palette is vegan, it is cruelty free, it is dermatologist tested and allergy tested. How much is this blinding palette, you may ask? It is $19, but right now on their website it looks like they're having a sale and it's $12.35. And also, if you want, I have a coupon code with BH Cosmetics. It's Jesi. If you use that, I think it comes down to like $11 and something cents. So I think that's a steal for this palette. Welcome to my face. As you can tell, I have some faux beauty marks on my cheek. I thought it would take away from the fact that my face hates me, but I'm starting to think that it's not working. Anyways, the brush I'm going to be using to apply my highlighter today, I'm pretty sure we can all just say it together. The BH Cosmetics 140 brush. I literally use this every single day. Nothing has really compared or come close to this brush yet. So this is what I'm going to use today. There are so many colors in here and I'm like, which one do I use? Before I stick these on my face, I want to show you guys a quick little swatch. Like, these swatch so freaking reflective. I barely even put any pressure on that. Let's just give it a little swatch on the back of the hand. That's really pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold duochrome. Oh my god, that is beautiful. I actually want to wear that on my cheek. I'm thinking of using like these more golden shades on this side of my face and on this side of my face doing something really fun. I don't really wear a lot of colorful highlighters, but hey, we're trying it out. We're gonna play. I definitely, on a normal day-to-day basis, I would probably stick to like this area right here. So let's start with something fun. I'm gonna start off with this darker pink shade. It's called Double Time. Whoa, that looks really pigmented. I'm going to tap it off a little and kind of wear it as like a glowy blush. So I'm gonna focus that more on the apple of my cheek. Ooh, that is, oh my god, that is beautiful. It kind of has like this blue violet shift to it. Do you guys see that? Okay, wow, like this is actually so pretty. Definitely not like your everyday natural highlight, but I mean, look at that. They go on so nice. There's absolutely, they have this really silky feeling, so they go on making your skin look really wet and flawless. It doesn't like emphasize your pores or anything like that. It doesn't have any chunky glitters in it. It doesn't make your skin look more textured. It goes on flipping amazingly. All right, I guess let's take the color above it, the more sheer formula. This is called Top Notch, and I'm going to kind of place this on top but bring it a little bit higher like I would a normal highlighter. Whoa, I was actually not expecting it to be that pigmented, and even though it kind of looks a little pink in the pan, it shows up pretty gold on the skin. Definitely a color that I would wear on a normal day. It's very like, not natural, but like it's a natural color as opposed to being pink. For this side of my face, I'm gonna mix these two shades together, Double Trouble and Double Date. Wait, oh, I just noticed something. All the shades on top have the word top in it because they're like highlight toppers. Get it? Anyways, just taking a little bit of those two shades, just get it together. And let's pop that on the cheek. Oh, that is what I am talking about. That is so pretty. so gold. Oh wow. May have gone a little overboard, even though I really didn't pick up that much. These highlighters just go a really long way on the skin, so you really don't need to pick up a lot. Definitely start slow, then you can build it up. Not that we need it, but I'm gonna go into that rose gold color on top of it and just kind of like top it off. The shade is called Top It Off. So here we go with that. Honestly, that just made it a lot more intense, and now I feel like if you shined like a light on me, it would probably bounce off and hit the wall because my cheek is so reflective. But holy, oh wow, that's a lot. This side's so pretty too. Oh my god. With another little brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's called Top Secret, and it's like a pearly white shade. I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose with this color, and hopefully it's not too frosty, but we'll see. As if I'm not highlighted enough. I'm gonna take some of that lighter gold shade on my brush, and I'm going to put that on my nose. I feel like this is like my favorite color in the palette because it's like golden, but it's not like too dark, and it looks really pretty on the skin. Like I mentioned, like you don't need to go heavy-handed with these because they are really intense. Now that I am past the point of glowing, I feel like there's a stronger word out there to describe what my face looks like. But yeah, more than anything, I really love the way the highlighters go on the skin. They're just really creamy and smooth, very silky feeling, so they don't feel like heavy and chunky like I mentioned, that they don't have texture to them. So all you see is like this really wet, reflective glow. Of course, like I said, you can mix the shades together, you can do whatever you want. I really like this. I definitely feel like I'm going to be reaching for this when I want that hella intense glow. So now I'm going to swatch the shades on my arms to show you, on my arms, like how many arms do I need to do that? On my arm to show you guys the different colors in the palette. Cosmetics Duolight highlighting palette. Thank you again so much, BH Cosmetics, for partnering with me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Will you be grabbing it? Do you already have it? And what are your favorite shades? Also, let me know if you guys are interested in me doing more like little quick demo videos on like one product. I've been thinking about that, but definitely let me know you guys' thoughts. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Snapchat, JesiJet, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi, and of course, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you do so before you go, and also hit that little bell icon so you are notified every time I post a new video. Woo! With all that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!